First, we're going to start off with sourdough bread. What I do is get a middle slice. Drop it on there. I'm going to take this and I'll cut it in halfsies. All this stuff we got at Aldi, and if you want to make the best damn sandwich you ever had, all the ingredients are going to cost you about $16.21 or something like that. And you want to smur some fake butter on there. That's what I'm smur that on there. And so then to get this nice and melty, I'm going to throw it in our air fryer for about a minute. The bread is still soft. The butter is just starting to melt, which is all we want. We'll take and flip these over and start to construct our awesomeness. So the first thing, we're going to take this fried pickle ranch dip. So you take some of this and spread it onto your bread like you would mayonnaise or mustard, whatever you. If you're looking to make the best damn sandwich, this is what you're looking for.
I have a question.
I'm not answering your question. I'm talking about people.
No, you're answering my question. Jimmy, you better be nice and you're gonna think you're really mean to me. And he's not. Though sometimes I have a hard time when he's upset. But anyways, why is the butter now on the outside of the bread?
Because I like grilled cheese with butter on the outside, not on the inside. I'm going with it, and that's how it is. And people don't like that, and they're not looking for the best damn sandwich ever.
I thought you were about to say you asked for extra butter. Like, you never asked for extra butter. Oh, I'm sure.
If you're asking for extra butter, you're asking for extra medicine skills. So I take 5 pickles and add to our pickle dip nazed best damn sandwich you're gonna make. And the reason I put it on a paper towel or whatever you want to call it, napkin, is to get some of the juiciness off of it. You don't want it too juicy, just a little juicy.
We don't like soggy sandwiches.
You don't want too many drips when you eat it. So save time and waste trees. We appreciate their sacrifice. The best damn sandwich you've ever had.
Environmentalists aren't gonna like it.
They're not watching this. Alright, so the next thing is you take this, put it onto the pickles. Actually, you don't have to do that step, but that's just what I'm doing, so I'm saving a plate. We're going to take our ham, and the ham that we got is Black Forest. I hate ham. I'm not a ham eater, but this is the best ham sandwich I ever had and made, so that should tell you something right there. Black Forest ham, Aldi, it's like 4 or something. You want to get 1, 2, 3 ish, 4, 5, 6 slices. You take that and you're going to nuke that in the microwave for about 10 seconds just to bring it up to temperature. And it is ready. So now we'll take this, make sure that excess off of it. Place our sandwich bread there, our semi-dried pickles.
That's the way to do it. You're in sound effects, so you don't have to add them.
And now you could just plop that on there like an animal, but I'm not that animal, so what I'm going to do is take it and make it semi-fancy like I went to a restaurant and spent a lot of money on this sandwich because it's the best damn sandwich you're going to eat from Aldi or from anywhere, in fact.
I always tell tell Jimmy that like his sandwiches that he makes, they always look like gourmet sandwiches that you would find at a restaurant. He's always very particular. What's the word? Very meticular.
Particular.
Particular.
I don't know if particular is a word. Meticulous about how you present your food, even if nobody else is going to see it. The best and secret ingredient is the hottest ingredient, and it is hot, but with this sandwich and how I make it, you're not going to taste the heat. So trust me, if you can find this at your Aldi, buy it, try it. I'm going to take this and put this on the semi.
Good job for the show.
It's falling apart, but that piece.
So it's habanero. It's just habanero cheese. What else is it?
It's jack cheese or Monterey Jack cheese with habanero in it, kind of like pepper jack, but habanero. So we're going to take this. I'm going to put this now in the toaster for about 2 minutes, just enough to start to get this thing toasty and cheesy melty, and we'll be back. All right, so it just beeped, which indicates it's done. Attempt not to burn my fingers. Plate it. That is the best damn sandwich you'll ever have. I guarantee it. If you try it, you don't. Let me know. It's your life.
So if I don't like it, then I'm a liar.
You're a liar. Lightning will come through the window and strike you dead because you're a liar.
What? You need somebody to be here to clean this house and cook
Well,
dinner.
let me know when you start doing that. Oh my God.
Okay.
All right, taste test. Let's go.
Okay. All right, here goes the taste test of the best damn sandwich in the world. Oh, good. Dang. I'm not just saying that either. That's really good.
The best damn sandwich you ever had.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. The butter on that bread. Well, it's not technically butter, was it? It was margarine. That pickle dip is really good on there.
It's not hot either.
No, it's not hot. I don't do hot.